I do not know how long I have to record. I have 5 minutes, okay. I'll make it a quick one. I have a new gas mask, which I'm going to do an unboxing on, because I have no other content to make. Let's open this boy. Ooh. I have a little leaflet from the place I got it from, which is Only Army. Very quick delivery. I ordered it on Monday, I think. So, and it's Thursday today. No, it must have been Tuesday. Oh, they even packed it in the original, like, really old box it came in. Yeah, so a very old style looking box, which is a bit damaged at the side. Oh wait, no, I think it's just cut like that. Never mind then. So I'm going to open it. Ooh, bubble wrap on the inside, and the gas mask. Aha, yes. They did send me the one that they described. Ah, look at that boy. It looks like an alien. That's why I like it. So yeah, 1939 this one was made. If you can see, 1939. So it's a very old mask, but from what I've heard, some of them can still work. I'm going to dust it off before I even wear it, but let's look at what else is in the pack first. So you've got the carrying bag for it, which has an empty tin in it, which I already know. And, whoa, it's a nice big shower head filter, which is quite interesting. I didn't expect it to come with a filter, but yeah. Definitely not going to use it, because this has probably got all sorts of nasties in it, like chromium and asbestos, obviously, because it's an old mask. So yeah, I'll show you the little tin. I don't know what you'd put in here, probably the cloth or something, or whatever other gas mask equipment and cleaning stuff. Little compact bag, nice and simple. So yeah, it looks like quite a small mask, but actually not really. The inside, I'll show you. So the rubber's still in very good condition. I assume it's just been in storage. So you got intake, exhale, and 2 glass eyepieces, I believe. And this little thing on the back which has slots for tightening if you have a baby head. So I guess I'll put it on then. My mess of hair. Oh yes. Extremely easy to put on and very comfortable. Oof. Yeah. There's no oral nasal cup or tissue system, so the eyepieces fog up quite a bit, but other than that, it's pretty damn good. Wow. Yeah. I think it's a very cool mask, and it's a very decent one for its time, considering this was made 1939. How long ago was that?
Stop dusting my eye.
1939. So 1940. I can't do maths, okay? A long time ago. It's making this weird voice effect when I talk, which makes me sound even more like an alien, as well as looking like one. But, yeah. You see, it's a little bit foggy, but other than that, it's pretty good. Oh, that's a nice mask. I think it's a good buy. Definitely worth getting.